So if you've tried numerous things and are still looking for help with your health, the folks at Green Bay Integrative Health might be able to help you out. Dr. Steve Biddorf is here to tell us a little bit about himself and what he does and explain. You might have heard about these, but you have no idea what it is. What is integrative medicine? So good morning, doctor.
Thank you, Amy, for having me on today. I appreciate this opportunity to explain my passion.
You bet. Now, yeah, tell us about your passion, what you do, and what is integrative medicine?
Well, this July I founded Green Bay Integrative Health. It blends traditional, holistic, and natural ways of approaching medicine, and a lot of it has to do with using non-pharmaceutical means to achieve the same ends, making us live healthier. So your show today is right in line with what I do.
So what are some of the services that you offer?
We offer a wide range of aesthetic services, acne treatments, lots of health and wellness advice, and also one of our most popular services is bioidentical hormone therapy.
Now let's talk about this, something called pellet therapy. I've never heard of pellet therapy, but you say it's something that's relatively new. You're one of the first, you're the only one in Green Bay doing it. What is it?
Interestingly, it's new, but it's also old. Pellet therapy was developed over 80 years ago, and it's widely used in other countries. But here in the United States, it's kind of new in this area.
So
it involves...
we're seeing it right now. Is this one of the pellets?
These are natural hormones derived from soy and yam,
okay.
estrogen and testosterone.
Okay.
They're compressed into pellets in an FDA-approved process and implanted under the skin. And they're cardioactivated to provide healthy, normal, safe, and optimal levels of hormones for people that are suffering from hormone deficiencies.
And how would you know if you were one of those type, people that, might need something like this?
A lot of my practice is middle-aged people who are having declining levels naturally. As we age, it's one of the natural things that happens to us. And a lot of the symptoms involved would be perimenopausal symptoms for women, and for men it can be energy level and their ability to perform in their job, mental clarity, things like that. We don't always feel like teenagers like we used to, do we?
Sure. So hot flashes and things like that?
Some hot flashes, fatigue, sexual performance at times for men and women.
So what if your primary doctor says that there is no data to support the use of pellet implants and you're wondering, is it safe?
That is a question I hear very much, and there is a wide myriad of evidence, over 80 years of experience both in the US and in Europe and other countries, proving that the pellet therapy is a safe and effective way to alleviate the symptoms we talked about, but also to prevent real disease like Alzheimer's disease, osteoporosis, and to improve your cardiovascular health. And
you've seen these patients, firsthand, made a huge difference in their lives?
It has. And a lot of people will bring their spouse in once they've experienced the benefits. So I do hear a lot of testimonials in my practice every day. It keeps me liking what I do and very happy.
Very cool. Okay, so if you're sitting at home and you're thinking, you know what, this might be something for me, how do I find out a little bit more about it? How can I learn more? Tell us how people can get a hold of you.
Our website is www.gbih for greenbayintegrativehealth.net. You can go on the website, it lists our services, one can even make appointments. And during this holiday season, give yourself a gift. If you schedule an initial visit with me, we can apply that cost to that visit to any future treatment. But we also have a phone number, 920-393-1321.
All right.
And we're located off of Oneida Street in the Vernon Professional Office Building.
Thanks so much, doctor. Appreciate it.
Thank you for having me.
You bet. Coming up, we're headed back to the kitchen to make 2 delicious but healthy pumpkin desserts, perfect for the holidays. So don't go anywhere. We'll be back.